Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the electroplating. The chapter 13 is electric current and its effect. Okay guys, let's solve these fill-ups. So first one, distilled water does not conduct electricity. So answer is does not. Second, pure water is a bad conductor of electricity. Third one, regular or distilled, which one water at home has enough dissolved salts in it to make it a conductor. So answer is regular water. Fourth, in liquids, electric current is the movement of ions through the electrolyte. Now, true and false. First one, solid conducts electricity, but liquids do not. So this is false. Liquids also conduct electricity. Second, testers made with LED bulbs are sensitive to small currents. So it is true because LED needs only very small amount of voltage. Third one, water is a conductor because of a dissolved matter in it. So this is also right. Fourth, negatively charged cations move towards the anode. So this is false because here cation means what? Cation, that means positively charged ion when attracted towards cathode, and negatively charged ions when attracted toward anode. That's why negative ions are called as anion and positively charged ions are called as cation. So this is false. So before we start electroplating, let's revise about which has been taught yesterday. So it's need to learn about the electrolysis. So in the electrolysis process, yesterday I have explained about the electrolysis process and how it is useful for the refining process of copper, right? Okay, so in this process we have discussed that here impure copper will be connected with anode and pure metal will be connected as a cathode. Then electrolytic solution, the solution will be the of that metal which we want to get in a purest form, right? So here salt solution will be copper sulfate because we want pure copper over here. When electricity pass through the circuit from the positive terminal to anode to cathode, right, what happens? Whatever copper ions are present on anode will be deposited on cathode and impurities will be collected at the bottom of the container. So this was the process of electrolysis. Same process and same phenomena will be useful in the electroplating, but here in the electroplating there will be no impure metal will be here, right? So what is the meaning of electroplating first? So let's discuss about it. Electroplating is a process of plating the surface of an inferior metal with a superior metal to better its appearance. Means what? Electroplating एक ऐसी प्रोसेस जहाँ सुपीरियर इन्फीरियर मेटल के ऊपर, इन्फीरियर मेटल दैट मीन्स कि विच इज़ चीपर, विच इज़ नॉट गुड लुकिंग, राइट, उसके ऊपर एक सुपीरियर मेटल विच इज़ शाइनिंग, विच इज़ कॉस्टली, राइट, विच इज़ लस्ट्रस ऑल्सो। तो इन्फीरियर मेटल के ऊपर सुपीरियर मेटल का एक कवर लगा दिया जाए, उसके ऊपर एक प्लेटिंग किया जाए। दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग। अब ऐसा क्यों किया जाता है प्लेटिंग करने की? वाई शुड वी नीड, राइट? सो टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम इरोजन, सपोज कि कोई एक ऐसी मेटल विच हैव गुड स्ट्रेंथ, राइट, सो बट when it comes in the contact with water or moisture it starts to corrode। तो उसके ऊपर दूसरी जो मेटल which have good property which will not corrodes with the presence of oxygen or moisture or water, so ऐसी मेटल का कवर कोरोड होने वाली मेटल के ऊपर प्लेटिंग करवाया जाता है। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग प्रोसेस, राइट? So here in the second paragraph same definition is given: the process of depositing a thin layer of superior metal over the surface of an inferior metal with the help of electric current. That means with the help of electric current, when I repeat again, with the help of electric current, when superior metal will be deposited on inferior metal, so this process is called as electroplating. So what are the importance and uses of electroplating? So guys, as we know that कि silver and gold is very expensive, so we cannot buy it for our regular use, right? So what can be done? Here like nickel metal and of any other metal, spoon of which is made up of any metal, which be coated by the silver cover, right, which will be done by the electroplating process. Suppose I have one spoon which is of steel, right, and I want to cover the steel metal with a silver metal because I want silver spoon. So how can I get it? So first of all, connect the silver bar with positive terminal of battery and spoon with the negative terminal of battery. So here silver bar will behave as a anode and steel bar will behave as a cathode. One more thing, which salt solution we have to use over here? तो salt solution first silver nitrate, that means कि AgNO3, silver nitrate का formula is called as AgNO3, or silver cyanide AgCN, right? Whatever we want to use we can. So what happens when electricity will pass through the positive terminal of battery to the bar of silver, that means कि through anode, then salt solution, then to the spoon, then to the negative terminal. So during this process there will be process of electrolysis, and we know very well what is electrolysis process. अभी हमने कॉपर का इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस समझाया, राइट? तो कॉपर के आयन कैसे एनोड से कैथोड के ऊपर डिपॉजिट होते थे, सो हियर विल बी द सेम थिंग. सिल्वर के आयन्स Ag+ will be deposited on spoon equally and evenly, right? ऐसा नहीं होगा कि नीचे की साइड पे ज़्यादा सिल्वर विल बी डिपॉजिटेड, ऊपर की साइड पे थोड़ा कम, नो, eventually it will be distributed on the surface of spoon, right? Equally distribution will be of ions and will be deposited on the surface of spoon. So by this way the electroplating process will be done. This process will be done in the ornaments also. Right now we are used to go in the market at the shop of goldsmith and we are used to buy the ornaments which are duplicate, right? It is called as, हम इसको बोलते ग्राम वाले पेंडल सेट्स, राइट, ग्राम वाले मंगलसूत्र वी आर यूज्ड टू से, तो which is not a purest gold, which is not made up of pure gold, but only the outer surface is deposited with the gold. So अगर इसकी हम बात करें, so how it is useful? So here एनोड की साइड पे गोल्ड लगा दो एंड कैथोड की साइड पे ऑर्नामेंट्स लगा दो, देन यहाँ पे जो सोल्ट सॉल्यूशन है ओरम सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन लगा दीजिए, देन माइट बी दिस प्रोसेस एंड विल बी इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग, राइट? So these were the use of this one. And what happens at the end of this process? ये little एनोड का बार, मतलब कि सिल्वर का बार will be little thin and cathode, that means spoon, will be little thicker. This will be the changes in the size and volume of the anode and cathode. Now let's discuss about the uses of electroplating. So here again the definition is given like this: coating an object made of less expensive metal with an expensive metal to give it a shine and expensive finished look is called as electroplating. Means what? कोटिंग से लेस एक्सपेंसिव मेटल के ऊपर मोर एक्सपेंसिव मेटल का कवर होने के बाद इट लुक्स लाइक ए शाइन एंड एक्सपेंसिव एंड लुक्स वेरी गुड ऑल्सो, राइट? तो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग. एंड अगेन एज आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट कि इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग इज यूजफुल इन a jewelry and silver plating utensils. Then chromium is also electroplated in appliances of electronics, right? There are so many automobile parts like handles, grills and bumpers. Bumper means what? At the car, in the front of the car, near the bonnet, right, there is bumpers which is shining and looks good appearance. Now next one is coating of metal like iron, which is useful to prepare the body of car. So here coating will be done on the iron of zinc and cadmium. Here zinc and cadmium prevents corrosion and rusting also. So of this both the metal, electroplating will be done on the iron surface, right? Then another copper, nickel, chromium, they are also protective materials, they are also protective metals which are not reacting, which are unreactive, right? So that is useful for the electroplating or coating of the another metal. Now if we discuss about gold and silver, so which are useful in the motherboard of the computer circuit, right? And here gold and silver both are good conductor of electricity also, that's why they are useful in the cell phones, computers, another electronic items. But it is not useful in such a way, but by the electroplating process, या तो by the coating, they are useful in a circuit board, right? So by this way, in a different types of the appliances, in a different types of the ways, this electroplating process is now useful around us, right? Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.